Welcome to People Tools Tech Tips. I'm Randy Groncki. Are you getting a PBAddin64 error when loading Word or Excel? Let's walk through the workaround and get you coding again. If you're still with me, welcome. It's late summer 2024 and we're having issues with some of our tools. Microsoft's latest update to Office 365 breaks the BI Publisher desktop add-in. Depending on when your organization applied the latest patches and updates, you may have not seen this error since early August 24. However, mine broke early this week in September. Oracle is aware of the problem and has logged bug 37054.304. See below for a link directly to the bug in MOS. Maybe even mark it as a favorite so you can receive updates. You can find the links and resources to everything we talked about today below and on peopletoolstechtips.com. Now, the problem is not fixed, but all is not lost. User 86 Luck in Oracle's community posted instructions in a spreadsheet on how to add entries to the Windows registry to work around this problem and get BI Publisher working again. Thanks and good work to the team behind User 86 Luck for creating this workaround and for sharing it out to the community. Find the link below to the community post with User 86 Luck's fix. Now in this video, I'm going to walk through the fix and get our BI Publisher desktop working in Word again. So here's how the fix works. We're going to create a new registry entry and let Word know where to find the code for PBAddin64. First, we need to find the values for the new registry key. Open the registry editor, navigate to one of the two following places: HKey local machine, software, WOW 6432, node, Microsoft Office, Word, add-ins, PBAddin64, or HKey local machine, software, Microsoft Office, Word, add-ins, PBAddin64. One of these two locations should have the PBAddin64 key. Copy each of the property names and their values. A spreadsheet is best for this. We're going to use all these values in a little bit. Notice these are all text properties other than the one reg dword property. Now let's make the new key. Navigate to a new location in the registry editor. HKey current user, software, Microsoft, Office, Word, add-ins, data. In this folder, the PBAddin64 key probably does not exist. Create it by right-clicking on the add-ins data key and selecting New. Name it PBAddin64. No, it's not case sensitive, but let's just pretend it is for good form. With that key highlighted in the left window, right-click in the right window and add all those properties and values you copied down previously. Now, launch Word. If you get the PBAddin64 warning again, choose No. Do not disable the add-in. Open into a document and then close. Back in the registry editor, there may be a new property in the PBAddin64 key named load count. If it's there, delete the whole property, not just a value. Relaunch Word again. You shouldn't get the error. If you don't see the BI Publisher option in the ribbon menu, you have to go reactivate the add-in. Navigate to Word's options, File Options. Select add-ins from the left menu. At the bottom of the dialog box, there is a Manage with a drop-down box. Choose COM add-ins and click the Go button. In the new dialog box, check the box next to the Oracle BI Publisher entry, and then OK. If you disable the add-in during one of the error boxes, you may have to re-enable the add-in before you can reactivate it. Go to Word's Options box again and choose Add-ins. At the bottom, choose Disabled Items from the dialog box. Re-enable the add-in. You may now also have to reactivate the add-in too. Now, I haven't tried this fix in Excel yet, but I have to assume that the fix is just the same, just using similar Excel keys in the registry. Now, this isn't a perfect fix either. It's a little clunky. You may have to go back and re-enable that add-in every time you open Word again. On my machine, sometimes the BI Publisher is there and sometimes I have to re-enable it. But at least we can continue to work and support our customers until Oracle publishes a fix. And Oracle, please make that sooner than later. The longer we are without a fix, the more BI Publisher gets painted in a negative light, and the more the heat we take down at the customer level. Thanks again to the team behind User86Luck for publishing the fix to the community. So that's the fix. A little work, but not all that difficult. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you next time here on People Tools Tech Tips.